case you guys didn't know, wood is not supposed to look like that. Doing just a little bit of painting made me super impatient to want to get this house painted. I think it's gonna be a huge difference and dramatic. But just like every other project, I feel like a broken record at this point, we have to prep before we can do that. The house, the trim needs to be caulked and taken care of. Ideally, I really would like to replace it all with PVC, but it's not in the budget. So we're gonna caulk it and paint it, and hopefully that'll make it look nice and new. Okay, here's an example of what I'm talking about. I hope it's picking up on camera, but like that needs to be caulked. The trim's just separating from the house, so that those gaps are not bad, so we can just use caulk on that. The sun is super bright over here, but I hope you can see this other side. It's pretty bad. It's a big gap right there. So I'll show you what we're gonna do so we don't have to use so much caulk. This is called backer rod, and this is what we're gonna use. It's long strips like this, and we're gonna take it and this is a 5-in-1 tool. I use it for like a bajillion things, but you can use like a scraper, painter's little thing, whatever. But you're just gonna use this, and we're gonna push this into those seams, and then that way we won't have so much to fill. Okay, I'm out of caulk. Oh, the sun. I could go to Lowe's for the second time today to get some more, but I don't feel like it. I'm just like over it, the caulking and the prep, and I'm ready to see like a change. So I'm gonna go ahead and start painting the front of the house because that's what I'm most excited about.
So while I'm getting the front of this house painted, I have a favor to ask of you guys. I love when you comment and tell me where you're watching from. I just find it so interesting to hear how far this video has traveled and different styles in different parts of the world. So comment down below and let me know where you're from, whether it's in the States or in another country. I always find it so interesting and I'm super curious.
Good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. This being more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two.
Okay, I'm excited. Getting rid of some of that peachy color up there. I can see it right there. I put 2 coats on that just so I could see like what a final color was gonna look like. I also did a little bit of the trim up there because I could reach it. Can you see the difference between like that trim and that trim? It's just looks so much cleaner, newer, fresh.
Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be than with you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feel.
So painting the entire house is not my favorite thing to do, but I will say it is much easier than when I was lime washing the brick because I'm able to use a roller, and also it didn't have like the mortar lines that I had to get in. If you haven't seen my lime wash video, make sure that you go check that out because the house has already come such a long way. Like I forget that I have to look at pictures and videos anytime I'm feeling overwhelmed, like I'm feeling like this project is never going to end. I look at videos and pictures to see how far it's come, and it gives me motivation to get this project finished. But go check out those videos if you haven't, so you can see where it started from the beginning, and also make sure that you're subscribed because we have so many more videos coming. Like this exterior is totally gonna go through so many more renovations and projects. It's gonna look completely different.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Okay, quick check-in. Got a lot of painting done yesterday and I am like stupid sore. This is how it's looking. We got a first coat on that and up there and over there. So my goal today is to get a first coat on everything because I'm not going to be able to paint for the next couple of days because it's going to be too cold. Like, Texas, what are you doing? Okay, so this is the wall that we need to get done over here. We did a little bit right here. We need to finish all of that, but I want to do a small project first. I want to paint this stuff right here, or at least what I can of it, to help it blend in with the wall better because it's right here at the front, like that's the front of the house, and I think that'll look better. So for this box right here, we're gonna paint the outside, but we definitely don't want to cover up this part, the meter. So if you're like concerned if you can do this, call your electric company and ask them and see what they say. Okay, I'll probably end up putting another coat on this, but I think it looks a lot better than before.
I had originally planned to have all the painting done in one video so you could see like a full before and after, but I'll be real with you guys, like real life got in the way. It has been really cold and it keeps raining and our water heater went out, you know, just real life stuff that you have to deal with outside of these projects, because I also have a family that I am taking care of as well as doing all these projects. So this is where we're going to stop for today's video. You're going to see me finish up this wall and that'll be the end, and hopefully next week I'll have everything done that I can show you guys. Thanks for being here and sharing these projects with me. It's so much fun to have a community to talk to about this stuff and share opinions. I love it so much. So thanks for being here and thanks so much for watching. Bye!